Hi, welcome back to Just in Translation YouTube channel. So today I'm coming back to you with new segment of our playlist. And today I'm gonna bring you the word drink. The word drink yang artinya minum. So when we talk about drink, it's really simple because we frequently do this in daily activity. We drink water every time, every day, all right, when we feel thirsty. But here I'm gonna use the word drink for the informative news and article. So that's why here, not only about the word, but also you get function, like how to drink well in our daily life in order that we can maintain our health. The word drink have the different ways. So, number one, quench. When you feel thirsty, then you drink to satisfy yourself. It means that you say quench. So I quench Sprite, I quench Fanta, I quench a Coca-Cola. Number two, sip. Sip. Sip here artinya menyeruput. So for example, when you drink hot water or like hot coffee, hot tea, you will not drink with a big amount, okay, a big amount of water, but you will sip bit by bit, okay, bit by bit. All right. And then number three, gulp. Gulp. So it's a part of you take like a huge amount of water at once, like click, 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 and sometimes it's really noisy. Okay, click, 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 click. It's what we call as gulp. Okay, these are three words to represent drink for you. And the following here with the word drink, I can show you the information of any medical article, that we need to drink well on our daily basis. It's really important, okay? However, we frequently ignore these things. It's really simple, but it can maintain our health for sure. Okay, I'm gonna show you 7 tips, okay, for any compilation we find out on any medical treatment on internet. So hopefully it can give any benefit for you and it can give the communicative information for you. Number 1, don't drink when you stand up, okay? Don't drink when you stand up. However, the reason is like this. When you stand up, okay, the water you consumed will automatically drop down into your stomach, okay? And your body has no chance to infiltrate any nutrition and transmit it into any area in your body. And you know what? When we, drink when we stand up, it's not good for our kidney. Kidney means ginjal, okay? And then the following, number 2, okay, number 2. How much water should we drink in a day? In any advertisement that we witness, at least 80 glasses in a day, right? But there are some articles mentioned that the female and male have a different amount of water to consume every day. For a females, 2.7 liters water in a day. For males, 3.7. Okay, 3.7 liter in a day. So you can you can consider this. Number 3, drink water after you wake up. Okay, after you wake up, at least 1 up to 2 glasses. Why we need to do this? Here, when we sleep, we get lost of fluid in our body. So we need to recover, okay, and bring the water and fluid, okay, degree back. It also helps the metabolism in our body and then take away the poison in the body as well. So it's going to be good for you then. Drink water in the morning after you wake up. Number 4, don't drink too much. Don't drink too much. How much water you need. I mean, your body needs. You know that. So when we drink too much, the sodium degree in our body is decreasing because of over water consumption, and it's not good. It's not effective. So for you yourself, just try to take into yourself, look into yourself, when you feel thirsty, drink. When you feel thirsty, drink. When you feel headache or when you feel dehydration, just drink. So make sure that you drink when you need. Don't drink too much. Number 5, okay, so this is the continuation, okay, of the point 4. drink water when you need to drink. Okay, however, 60% of our body depends on the water. Not only the body, but also like the brain and the nerve. Having lack of water can bring about headache and the loss of concentration, sometimes depression, and sometimes like fatigue, you know, kelelahan. Following, number 6, drink water 30 minutes before you eat. It's very important before you eat. However, you know, like the purpose we eat, we try to absorb any nutrition of the food we consume, right? Drinking water before you eat, it means that you can strengthen your digestive juices, okay, to process all the food. But when you drink during your meal, it can weaken your digestive juice, so that's not good. And then the last one, number 7, okay, try to drink before you sleep, because when you when you have enough, okay, fluid in your body, you can make your body sleep in well, or a tight sleep, okay, for like 7 hours up to 8 hours, and it's not good. Especially for this, try to drink warm water, okay, it will calm your nerve, your body as well. Okay, so these are some tips how to drink well for your daily basis. If you need, okay, another information, just please reach me out. Drop down on the comment box below, and we try to teach you how to learn English in use. Bye. Dah.